Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to Bit by Bit Coding. Hope everyone's having a great day. Now let's lock in. Today we're learning quick tips for HTML. So our first one is an Emmet abbreviation. And the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have your text file saved as an HTML file, or else this isn't going to work. So you type an exclamation mark, enter, and it'll go ahead and it'll generate boilerplate HTML code, so that you don't have to remember this all and type it in. It'll make your work so much faster. Our next one can be done through another Emmet abbreviation. So you're going to want to type link, tab, and it'll go ahead and set you up to link a CSS. So you're just going to want to type in whatever you call it. I usually do styles, not CSS, and you're all good. Your CSS file is linked and you didn't even have to put that much work in. Easy peasy. And then following more of these element creation Emmet abbreviations, you could do div. One I find really helpful is image. It's a lot less typing, and just type in the beginning of that name and then tab, and it'll make the starting and closing tags for you. That's all for today. Hope you guys are having a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.